I built the church myself there.
Yeah.
But this is all built to run with computers. It's at a point now where if I wanted to, I could do that, but I haven't yet.
So,
Yeah, that's the smoke. These all smoke. They whistle. They do whatever. Yeah. Yeah. You film all this. Look. You want to try? That's just for kids. Bill? This one I call this is cow and cattle strain. This is a West Virginia protein. That's a West Virginia protein. See, I just put that little one up top there for the kids. That's the industrial area, so I start putting this stuff for the kids come over and eat it. Billy, you remember over at Edaville?
yeah.
They had the big old silver train.
Yeah.
Huh? Remember the big old silver train that used to be over at Edaville?
Yeah.
Alright. Here it comes. That's just that smoke there. I could put some more steam in there. They'll smoke like crazy. Watch this, Billy. This is this is what was over at Edaville. It's up in New Hampshire now. They're still fixing it. Remember that train at Edaville?
Oh, yeah.
On display? It's in New Hampshire now.
That's like that motorhome. What's it called? Airstream or something?
Yeah. Well, I just have a lot of fun with them, guys, that's all. But I still got a long way to go. Oh, gee, yeah. I could probably take me 2 or 3 years to finish this. Yeah, see the smoke coming out now? It's doing better, but yeah, it'll smoke like crazy. Oh, they're all made. That probably weighs 35 pounds. That's not the biggest engine. The biggest engine is in the big house over there. It's 36 inches long. It just fits. Well, capability. I mean, the real train. Most of these, I've seen the real trains. Yeah. Most of these, yeah. There's a lot of them around. Where am I here? 6543.
They still have one of the tracks.
They don't use them anymore, but they are. Yeah, you can go. I go to a lot of the railroad museums. There's a bunch of them in Pennsylvania. They're all over. This one's smoking already. This one does great smoke rings.
Does it really?
Oh yeah. Over it, yeah. There's not a lot of smoke in it. There's a liquid in there, and you pop it in there. All these passenger cars, if you look, you'll see people in them. I had to put them all over. One by one.